everyone. So I'm here with another video related to academics. This teaching aid is related to our helpers. Our helpers, community helpers. This anybody can make at their home only, and it's very economical. Any pictures you can cut from old magazines, books, newspapers. Like I have cut the pictures of teacher, postman, doctor, cobbler, soldier, fireman, and I have cut the props also which are used in these professions. I made a pocket here where I will keep these props, and this pocket I have cut from paper carry bag. Stethoscope, gun, letters, fire brigade, and books, and I have pasted toothpicks at the back of all pictures so that it will be easy to hold them. Now we can keep it in the pocket. Now we can tell children to take out these props and put it beside the related profession. And these are rubber bands. You can use paper rolls also. Instead of these rubber bands, you can use old paper rolls also. Like this stethoscope, doctor uses it, fire brigade, beside fireman. Now letters, postman gives us letters, book, the teacher teaches us, book and notebooks, and gun, the soldier uses it. So in this way they can easily recognize the profession and the things mainly used by these professionals, and these are our helpers. Same way I have cut and pasted here gardener, electrician, chef, greengrocer, barber, carpenter, tailor, and driver. And again these are rubber bands. You can use paper rolls also. You can use old paper, any old paper, to make rolls. And these are the props used by them. These all pictures are from old books, magazines, and toothpicks are pasted at the back of all these objects, props. Cooked dish, so we will put it beside chef. This is sewing machine. The sewing machine is used by tailor. So we will find out where is the tailor. Gardener, electrician, chef, greengrocer, barber, carpenter, tailor. See, he is using sewing machine. So he is stitching clothes. So we will put sewing machine, scissors beside the tailor. Now this is bus. Who drives the bus? Driver. Now we will again find out where is the driver. He is the driver. So we will put bus here. This is water carrier and pot, and gardener uses it, so we will put near the gardener. This is bulb, tester, screwdriver, so who uses it? Electrician. So we will put it near the electrician. This is electrician, right? Now this is spray bottle, scissors and comb. Who uses it? Barber, because when he cuts hair, then he uses all these things, right? So we will put it near barber. Now these are fruits and vegetables. So who sells fruits and vegetables? Greengrocer. We will find out greengrocer, gardener, electrician, chef, greengrocer. See, he is selling fruits and vegetables. So we will put it here. See, here is hammer, cutter and so on. So who uses it? Carpenter, to make our furniture. We will see where is the carpenter. Yes, here is carpenter. He is making furniture. So we will put it near carpenter. This way you can take many other pictures and the props, things related to those professions, and the children will very easily recognize and correlate the object with that profession. And they can form few lines also related to those professions. Thanks for watching. I hope this is a good teaching aid and it's very economical too. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.